Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Honda Accord and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So we're going to need two solutions in order to prep the headlight. The first one is going to be baby shampoo mixed with distilled water, and the next one is going to be isopropyl alcohol with distilled water, which will create your tack solution. So for the first solution, it's the soapy solution. That one, just apply it onto the lens, and when they clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. And also make sure to clean around the surrounding area, just in case the film does touch anywhere else other than the lens and it doesn't get any contaminants if it does touch somewhere else. And then now flip your microfiber towel around to a clean side and spray your tack solution onto the microfiber towel. And what this will do is just help remove any wax or any coating that the headlight may have, and also any other remaining contaminants that we weren't able to remove with the soapy solution. And then once you're done prepping the headlight, we can start with the installation. So once we finish prepping the headlight, we can start with the installation. Just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we're going to need to align it on this edge first. So align it right here, right on the edge of the headlight. So once you have it aligned, apply tack solution on top of the lens, grab your squeegee, and start tacking it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film, that way we don't have any bubbles left over. So once this one's secure, just finish off with the rest on this end. To keep it aligned, and squeegee and tack down. And to help it tack down around this curve on this section of the headlight, we're going to apply just a little bit of heat and use your microfiber towel to hold it down for a couple seconds. That way the adhesive is able to activate and tack down to the headlight. So to make sure it stays tacked down, apply tack solution first. You can use a hair dryer or a heat gun and apply heat on the edge of the tint right here. Make sure to use the low setting and apply the heat evenly to the lens. And we're only focusing around this area. And once you finish applying heat, that's when you use your microfiber towel and help it tack down around the edge. Just hold it for a couple seconds, maybe 3 to 5 seconds, and you should be good. And just do this all around until everything's sealed. And the reason why we need this sealed is so that when we install this section, it will overlap and we don't want the film to lift over time. Okay, so it should be flat like this. The film shouldn't be lifting. And once everything's tacked down, we can move on with the next piece. So for this last piece, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And to help the adhesive activate faster and to tack it down faster, apply tack solution right on this edge here. And the reason why is because we're going to align it here first. And once we align it here, we're going to start tacking it down. So align it on the edge, grab your squeegee, apply tack solution on top, and then tack it down. And we need to secure this section here. That way we're able to stretch the film to remove these two fingers that you see here on the top and on the bottom. So make sure you have a good amount secured here. And the film is going to go underneath the panel here of the grill. So now once this is secured, stretch the film, hold it for a couple seconds. That way we help the film start forming to the curve here. So it doesn't have to be a big stretch, just a good stretch where we remove the fingers here. So hold it, spray tack solution, and tack it down. Make sure you're still holding it, that way the film doesn't try to come back to its original form. Okay, and that's pretty much it. And now we just need to tack down, remove all the fingers on the edges. And to seal it here, just apply a tack solution with heat and we should be good. Just make sure this stays tacked down as well. because it will try to tend to lift a little bit. So we need to make sure it stays secured because this area here is very thin right here. So we need to make sure it stays tacked down. So if you need to adjust it, you can lift it and stretch down. Just be careful that the film doesn't shift. Now apply heat to start sealing the edges. And also to remove the fingers that you may encounter here. Okay, for this top section, make sure the film is covering on the inside as well. So if you need to lift it to adjust it, you can, and tuck it in underneath. Okay, and now we can seal this whole curve here and we should be good. So to seal it, just apply a little bit of tack solution with heat and we should be good. Grab your microfiber towel and just help it tack down slowly. And once we finish with the installation, the last thing to do is post-heat the entire film. So once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight tints, the last thing to do is post-heat the entire film. So all you're going to need to do is apply tack solution to the headlight, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat evenly throughout the entire lens. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. You can also use a hair dryer in case you don't have a heat gun. Just make sure you use the low setting, that way you don't accidentally burn the film. And as you're applying heat, use your microfiber towel just to help tack down around the edges or anywhere else where the film may be lifting. And applying just a little pressure also helps the adhesive on the film activate faster. So apply heat, hold the film down for a couple seconds. And that's pretty much it you need to do. Just follow through with the rest of the installation here on the headlight and you should be good. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Honda Accord. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you guys in the next one.